How to reset Windows Update in Windows 11 or 10. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset Windows Update in both Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you're facing issues with Windows updates, this method can help. Now let's get started with the video. I'll be using a script that you can find in the description below. Right click on your desktop and then select New and then Text document. Now double click on the newly created text document to open it. Copy and paste the script from the description into this text box. Click on the file and then click on Save As. Select a location where you want to save it. In my case, I'll be selecting Downloads. Now name a file with the .bat extension. Under Save As type, select all files and click on Save. Now right click on the newly created batch file and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Once the script runs, press any key to continue. Please wait until the process finishes. After finishing the process, press any key to close the window. Then you need to restart your computer. After restarting, please retry to update your Windows. I hope this solves your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. I'll see you in the next video.